Hi everyone, my name is Mariam, and in this video I'm going to share with you 3 reasons why your students might not be able to access your course in Canvas. Reason number 1, the course is unpublished. Please check the course status. If your course is unpublished, the students won't have access to it. To publish your course, click the down arrow, select Publish. Reason number 2, maybe the course is published, but the start date hasn't arrived yet. To check the start date of the course, go to the course navigation menu, click Settings, and then under Course Details, just scroll down, check the start date of your course. If it is, for example, today is December 10, 2025, and the start date is January 5, 2026. Even if the course is published, in this case, students won't have access to the course. So check the start date. If you would like to make any adjustments to the start date, connect with us at the LDDI and we can support you. Reason number 3, in the course navigation menu, go to People, and then try to find the student or the students who have problem accessing the course. Try to find them here under People. If you are not able to see the student's name on the list here, then there may be a registration issue going on in the back end. Again, connect with us at the LDDI and we are happy to support you with that. Thank you.